welcome to my channel Pros Creative Art. In today's video, I am going to show you how to draw a WARLI painting on ceramic plate. WARLI painting is a tribal art created by the tribal people from the North Range in Maharashtra, oldest form of Indian art. WARLI art was first discovered in early 70s. So let's start with it. And please share, like and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for more videos. I am using compass to make circles. I am making 3 circles here. These circles are not so clearly visible to you because I am using white pencil. Here I am making this tribal figure with the help of 0 number brush and with acrylic color. In early stage, the WARLI paintings are done on mud walls with white paste. This white paste is a mixture of rice paste and the water and binding with the glue. Nowadays you can make it with any colors and in any surface. I am making 4 tribal figures in the middle of this plate. In this WARLI painting, you can see human figures are engaged in activities like hunting, dancing and harvesting. Now all 4 figures are completed in the middle of this plate. Now I am just making the circle around it. I am using this geometric tool to mark the points in the circle in equal distance. This art is the easiest for the little kids also to start learning about India's folk art. Great way to teach them about these shapes, circles, lines, dots, triangles. Now see how it looks like. Isn't it gorgeous? I am putting dots on the tip of the triangle with the help of my dotting tools. You have to make sure that all the crosses are coming on the circle line. making their heads, I am using dotting tools. I am using wooden toothpick to making their neck, heads and legs. Now I am just making the triangle shapes in the end of this row. After drying this color, I am applying varnish to keep it intact and protect the color from the dust. Thank you for watching. Stay connected for more videos.